Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video. Today we will have a detailed look on the company whose IPO is going to launch on 5th December 2022. So let's have a look on the important dates of the IPO. So the Arham Technologies IPO starts on 5th December 2022 and close on 7th December 2022. The basic of allotment will be on 12th December 2022 and the initiation of refund will be on 13th December 2022. The share will be credited to your demat account on 14th December 2022 and the listing date is on 15th December 2022. So this was some of the important dates of the company. Now let's have a look about the company. So the Arham Technology Limited was incorporated in 2013. The company is engaged in the manufacturing of LED smart televisions. The company manufactures LED televisions with different screen size under the brand name Starshine. The company also manufactures fans, air cooler and mixture grinder through third-party manufacturer. Now let's have a look about the company's revenue breakdown of the company. So the company gets 69% of revenue in financial year 2022 from LED TV of its own brand, whereas from other brands of LED TV it was around 6% as per financial year 2022. But if we compare this with financial year 21, it was around 91% for his own brand and 6% for the other brands. Similarly, the fans was around 23% of revenue as per financial year 2022, whereas it was around 2.5% in financial year 21 as a revenue. The air coolers was around 1% as on financial year 2022, whereas it was around 0.2% as per financial year 2021. The mixture grinder and washing machine was around 1% in financial year 2022, whereas it was around 0.2% as on financial year 2001. So this is the overall revenue breakdown of the company. Now let's have a look on the objective of the issue of IPO. So the three main objective for the launch of this IPO is to meet the working capital requirement of the company, to meet the issue expenses, and the third one is general corporate purpose. So now let's have a look on the quarterly results of the company. We only have the data of the September 2022. So the sales was around 21 crores, the operating profit was around 2.5 crores, the OPM, which is operating profit margin, was around 12%, and the net profit after deducting from the expenses and tax was around 1.28 crores as for September 2022. The EPS, which is earning per share of the company, was around 2 rupees as per September 2022. Now let's have a look on the profit and loss account of the company. So the sales of the company is looking good, as in March 2020 was around 13 crores in sales, whereas it increases to 36.47 crores as per March 2022. The operating profit was around 1.7 crores as per March 2022, whereas the operating profit was around 1.6 crores as per March 2020. It has increases to 4.8 crores as per March 2022. The operating profit margin was around 12% in March 2020, whereas it is increases to 13.08% as per March 2022. The net profit after deducting from all the expenses and tax was around 57 lakhs as on March 2020, which has increases to 3.02 crores as per March 2022. The earning per share has also increases slightly bit from 2.7 rupees to almost 15 rupees as per March 2022. So this is the overall profit and loss account of the company. Now let's have a look on the balance sheet account of the company. So in balance sheet, in liability side, the reserve of the company has increases from 2 lakhs to almost 5.07 crores. The borrowings, which may be includes in a form of short term loans or creditor, was around 7.3 crores as on March 2020, which has increases to 10.3 crores as on March 2022. The other liability, which may be includes in a form of long term loans, was around 39 lakhs, which has increases to almost 5.6 crores as on March 2022. This is the overall liability side of the company. Now in asset side, the fixed assets of the company has reduces from 3.63 crores as on March 2020 to almost 2.23 crores as on March 2022. But the other assets, which maybe includes in a form of inventory, debtors, which has increases from 6 crores as on March 2020 to almost 21 crores as on March 2022. So this is the overall balance sheet of the company. Now let's have a look on the cash flow of the company. So in cash flow, the net cash flow comes out after adding operating activities from investing activities and financial activities. So in March 2020 was around negative almost 9 lakhs, and whereas in March 2022 was around on a positive side around 0.89 crores. So this is the overall cash flow of the company. So now let's have a look on the important ratios of the company. So in important ratio, the first one is debtors day, which has increases from 50 days to almost 95 days as on March 2022. So the debtors day ratio measures how quickly cash has been collected from debtors. Even the inventory day of the company has increases from 106 days to almost 115 days, and inventory day ratio is the average time a company keeps its inventory before it is sold. And the last one is cash conversion cycle, which is again got increased. So it means that a number of days that the company takes to convert its investment in inventory and other resources into cash flow from sales. And the last one is ROC, which is return on capital employed. So it was around 30% as on March 2021, whereas it was around 35.23% as on March 2022. So this is the overall ratios of the company. Now let's have a look on the holdings of the company by the promoters. So before the IPO got listed, the promoters holding was around 100%, but after the IPO will get listed, the promoters holding will be around 73.05%. Now we will have a look on the some of the important strength of the company. So the first one is company have a good and a strong management team. The company has a smooth flow of operation and strong customer relationship. The company has a well defined organization structure, the infrastructure and integrated manufacturing facilities. The company has a geographical advantage. The company is constant focus on developing a new and innovative products, which is a good point about this company. And the company is eligible for internship from state government for investment other IT and ES policy of Chhattisgarh. So this is the overall competitive strength of the company. So my own view about this company, so I personally think that the company is overall a good one, and but if you are considering for the short term, then it may be a good one as for the listing gain for the IPO. Otherwise, if you are trying to do it for the long term, then maybe there is a lot of research which has to be done, and there isn't any data available right now. So even you have to see some of the fundamental key highlights of the company. So, and the most important thing is the company's ratios are increasing, the debtors day is increasing, even the inventory day and cash conversion cycle is also increasing, which is a bad sign for the investors. Similarly, the company is increasing its borrowings and other liabilities. So, and the most important thing is company is not able to generate more cash flow. So this is some of the bad benefits of the company. And even the OPM, which is operating profit margin of the company, is very less, which is around nearly about 12 to 13%. So this is the overall my view about this company, and I am not personally applying for this IPO. So tell me whether you are applying for this IPO or not on the comment section. And thank you so much for spending some time with us. We will back with another topic. Till then, bye and have a nice day. Bye bye.